Folks, if you get stuck and you're trying to download your videos, right, and nothing is happening, okay, in case you don't get this option and you're able to download, try this, okay. I'm on a MacBook. You can go to your tools, your browser tools, your web developer tools. It's Command Option I on the MacBook. When you do that, you're going to get this panel right here. You may need to stretch it up a little bit. You're going to hit Network right here, refresh, and under the column that says Initiator, what you're looking for is something that says Media. Takes just a moment. Almost there. May have to just click it once it's sorted. If you don't see it immediately, don't get frustrated. Just refresh your browser one more time. There it is, Media MP4. Initiator column, Media MP4, and this is what you're gonna do. Right click, open a new tab. I'm gonna zoom out. There's your video. You'll notice this at the bottom from here, since it's in its own tab, right click, save video as, and you're done.